Well, we're going to discuss two things here. What are the two things is, one is the minimum cost spanning tree, and the second one is the transitive closure. Already we have discussed these two things, but let me explain it a little bit clear. First we will see minimum cost spanning tree. What is minimum cost spanning tree means? We have a weighted graph. Suppose we have a edges here, A, B, C, D. For each and every edge has some weight like this. So a graph G has a spanning trees like this. So we need to find the cost of each and every spanning tree. How to find the cost means each and every edge has some weights. What is the properties of minimum cost spanning tree? Every vertex should visit and no cycle should be there. So these are the four spanning trees which will obtain from the graph G. So what is the cost of this one means? We have like 2, 1, 4 and then 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. These both are same. So 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. So what is the cost of this? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So what is the minimum cost? Second one. So second one is the minimum cost spanning tree for the graph G. So for any graph we have a minimum cost. Let me say with one more example. This is a graph. This graph has a weight. Okay. Now what are the minimum cost spanning tree for this graph? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the weight for this one? Weight for this one is 11 to 17, 19, 30, right?
Yes, sir.
For this one 11, 6,
34.
17, 34. For this graph 2, 11, 6. How much?
19.
19. For this graph
25.
25. So which is the minimum cost spanning tree here?
Third one.
Yes, this is the minimum cost spanning tree. This is very important అండి. షార్టెస్ట్ పాత్ మినిమం కాస్ట్ స్పానింగ్ ట్రీ. ఈ రెండిట్లో 100% మీ ఏదో క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ బీ ప్రిపేర్ అబౌట్ దిస్ మినిమం కాస్ట్ స్పానింగ్ ట్రీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్సిటివ్ క్లోజర్. What is this transitive closure means? We have a graph like this, A, B, C, D. Transitive closure is a matrix representation of a graph. Matrix representation of a graph. So how to represent the matrix representation of a graph means we need to write the row A, B, C, D columns and A, B, C, D rows. Do we have a path from A to A? No, so 0. Do we have a path from A to B? Yes, A to B. Yes, so 1. A to C? Yes. A to D? No. B to A? No.
B to A is there, sir.
B to A? Yes.
1 plus
B to B? No. B to C?
No.
No. B to D?
No.
No.
B to D, yes.
But
B to D.
Yes.
C to A? Yes. C to B? No. C to D? Yes.
no.
C to C?
D to C, no, sir.
No.
C to D? Yes. D to A?
Yes. No.
D to B? Yes. D to C?
Yes.
D to D?
No.
No.
So this is the transitive closure. So matrix representation of a graph is called a transitive closure. Let me say one more example for this. Take as A, B, C, D, E. Now how many rows should be there? A, B, C, D, E. How many columns? A, B,
5, comma.
C, D, E. A to A, 0. A to B, A to C, A to D, A to E. Am I right? B to A,
Yes, sir.
B to B,
1.
B to C,
0.
B to D,
0.
B to D, B to E,
1. 1.
B to E, C to A.
B to E, 1, sir.
Yes, B to E is
B to E, 1, sir.
1. C to A, 1. C to B, 0.
One.
C to C,
1.
C to D,
0. 0.
C to D 1, sir.
1.
is it correct?
Yes.
D to A,
Yes, sir.
D to B,
Yes.
0, sir.
0.
D to C,
0.
1.
D to E,
1. 1, sir. 0, sir. D to D.
E to E, E to B, E to C, E to D,
0.
E to E.
1. 0.
So this is the transitive closure. See, graphs is very easy. You can learn it out. So today we have seen what is a minimum cost spanning tree and what is the transitive things. So what is the properties of minimum cost spanning tree?